YouTube or Vimeo? Where is the best place to host your videos? Let's break down the pros and cons of YouTube and Vimeo so you can decide which hosting platform is right for you. We first have to consider the purpose of your video. A general rule of thumb, if your video is promotional or informative, or it'll be embedded on a website with the goal of getting as many eyes on it as possible, then YouTube is your best option. If privacy is your main concern, for example, hosting a paid online course, Vimeo has more advanced security features and will provide a higher quality user experience for that purpose. Now that may be enough information for you to make your decision, but let's look at each one a little closer. YouTube is a search engine powered by its parent company, Google. It's the largest video hosting platform in the world. It's also the second most popular social media platform behind Facebook, with 2 billion users worldwide. Over 1 billion hours of video are viewed every day. 1 billion hours every single day. If you utilize YouTube's video elements such as the title, description, tags to their full potential, there is a much higher chance your video will be picked up and seen by more viewers. YouTube is also completely free, and there are no limits on the amount of content you can upload, within reason. At this point in time, the maximum file size you can upload is 128 gigabytes or a 12-hour video. That's a lot of content. Something to keep in mind is YouTube processes down the quality of videos when they are uploaded to make it quicker and easier for users to stream. There may be a slight drop in quality after you've uploaded your video to YouTube, but internet speeds are getting faster all the time, so streaming higher quality videos is much easier. And over 70% of YouTube watch time is on a mobile device anyway. So on such a small screen, users are more concerned with how fast the video loads than how crisp the picture is. A larger downside to using YouTube is that it recommends other videos after your video based on what may interest the individual user, which means it could recommend a video from one of your competitors in your industry. There is a workaround for this by adding an end screen to your video to encourage users to remain on your content. An end screen allows you to suggest your own videos to the viewer in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video before YouTube has the chance to recommend and autoplay another. For a full tutorial on how to get the most out of YouTube's upload settings, check out this video. With the right settings, YouTube is your best option to get more eyes on your video. Vimeo is YouTube's main video hosting and sharing competitor. Vimeo is a lot younger than YouTube and has a much smaller proportion of internet users browsing it. So you may not achieve the same quantity of eyes on your video if that is your main priority. The key difference between these two platforms is that Vimeo is primarily designed for high-end creators and videographers, and YouTube is for anyone who wants to share content. There's also a difference in the user experience because of the way that, as businesses, they generate income. YouTube offers a free platform for content creators and viewers and makes money from advertisers running promotions at the beginning, middle, or end of YouTube videos. YouTube's partner program allows popular content creators to monetize their channel and split profits from advertisers with YouTube. Vimeo, on the other hand, is completely ad-free for the viewer and makes money from its 4 tiers of subscription memberships. With a free Vimeo account, you can upload a maximum of 500 megabytes per week with a total storage limit of 5 gigabytes. Each tier grants you access to more upload capacity, privacy settings, and extra features. To learn how to compress your videos to save storage space, check out this video. So, what are some pros of using Vimeo? Because this platform is aimed at filmmakers and content sharers who are producing higher quality videos, it doesn't compress down videos on upload. Vimeo also doesn't recommend other users' videos as YouTube does. Vimeo has more advanced security features, so it's ideal for hosting videos that are meant to be for an exclusive audience. For example, hosting landing page videos or thank you page videos and other videos that might be related to a marketing funnel. Vimeo is also a great platform for hosting paid online courses as it offers a nicer user experience to your customer when they view your course. YouTube is associated with free content, so your audience could perceive your information as being less valuable if they've paid for a course to find they've received a bunch of YouTube videos. Using Vimeo will make your course look more professional and help your customers feel like the course is more valuable and exclusive. If you need to update a Vimeo in your course, Vimeo allows you to easily swap out videos without having to go through the whole process of deleting, re-uploading, re-embedding, and reconnecting the new video. You can simply upload the new video and it'll connect right back where it's meant to go in your course. Now, once something is on the internet, it is no longer completely safe, but Vimeo does have much better security features to keep your content exclusive and private. For example, if your video is hosted on YouTube under unlisted, it won't appear in YouTube's search, but anyone with the link can share it with whoever they want. But if someone tries to copy and paste a private Vimeo link, they'll receive an error page instead. To break it all down, YouTube is ideal for promotional videos, free content, and it has more chances for your video to go viral. Vimeo is best for paid courses, private videos, and any exclusive content you may have. If you have more video questions, drop them in the comments below so I can answer them for you. Make sure you subscribe for more video tips and techniques, and I'll see you in the next video.